The 80D is Canon's newest enthusiast-level DSLR. As a follow-up to the 70D, the 80D is well-rounded and easy to use. It sports a new 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which offers much better dynamic range and low-light performance than the 70D or 7D Mark II. The 80D has a new 45-point autofocus system with cross-type points. The center point is more sensitive to help focus in very low-light situations. The 80D is well-designed with a durable, weather-resistant body that's very easy to hold. It has a shutter rated to 100,000 cycles and should stand up well in typical use. Other features we love about the 80D are the fully articulated touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, and continuous autofocus in live view and movie capture modes. The quality of its HD footage is good, and its user-friendly design makes it easy to capture decent-looking video. It also offers some of the best autofocus during video capture of any DSLR. The 80D is a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a still and video hybrid camera for documenting everyday life. For more information about the Canon 80D and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
Hi guys, Ryan here from Rode, and I'm excited to show you the new Rode smartLav Plus. Now when we first introduced the smartLav, it was insanely popular and we've been very happy with its progress so far, but we've had a lot of requests for an even higher quality model than the smartLav so that you can get really true broadcast quality audio directly onto an iOS device or an Android device depending on the application that you're using. Now what we've done with the smartLav Plus is we've actually installed a higher quality capsule than the original smartLav. So what that means is that it's got far more detail in the actual frequency pickup, and it's also got a lower noise floor. So you can now get really nice sounding recordings with much less effort with the smartLav Plus. Lately we've released a bunch of new accessories that have the TRRS connector. So we recognize the need to have some kind of way to differentiate the different connectors that you have in your camera bag at first glance. So with our new devices that have the TRRS connector, you'll notice that they have a grey sleeve. The grey sleeve will be featured on all of our connectors that are designed to work directly with mobile devices and tablets. So there you have it, the smartLav Plus with a broadcast quality capsule with the convenience of being able to connect it directly to your mobile device.